We're gonna go ahead and get started with our bell work. And I made this tiny little video. It's like 2 seconds long, so we're gonna watch that real quick. If it loads. So from this video, we have a car and a plane that start at the same point, and they're traveling a certain distance. Technical difficulties.
Which one?
Go to the next slide.
Click out of it.
Oh, there we go. Okay. So for our bell work today, we're going to figure out how far the plane traveled. So the car traveled 100 meters.
How's it going?
And at the end point, it's 15 meters above the car. We're doing a class right now. Would you like to join?
So we want to know how much the airplane traveled?
Yep, so remember that equation a squared plus b squared
That's
equals
15 in
c
blue,
squared?
right?
Yes.
Okay.
100 meters and then
100
15
squared plus
meters.
15 squared equals the c squared. We just have to solve for c, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
So
You guys can use your calculators.
15.
Okay, good, because I already am.
Wouldn't expect you to have this one memorized.
Is it on 15?
So it's 10,000 plus 225 equals x. So that's going to be 10,225?
It's x
no.
squared.
I think it's just 215.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
It's just 215 meters equals c, right? Is that the
Sorry.
answer?
Nope.
Just kidding.
10,000
Oh, we have to do. Okay. Wait a minute.
square root of answer is 101.1187.
Perfect.
Yeah, she said I could.
This one wasn't this triplet, but I'm pretty sure the rest we'll be doing is.
Isn't geometry?
No,
What is it for?
this is for an education class.
Oh,
I have to teach a lesson.
I was like, geometry? This is
Okay, so now we're gonna do an activity.
Yeah.
This can be a fun activity to go over the triplets, Pythagorean triplets. I have 3 different stations around the room, and there's a paper with instructions and everything that you will need to use. If you guys need any help, just raise your hand and let me know. You guys can work together or individually at the station. So here's the first one. And there's one there and one here. So you guys can go ahead and split up.
Are we supposed to split up or work together?
It's your choice if you want to work with somebody or if you want to split up.
Shad, do you like Marvel?
Yeah.
I do like Marvel. So,
So it
I
says
got
we need
all
12
21
for our base.
Marvel movies. The
1,
one,
2,
like
3,
all
4,
of them
5, 6,
except for Endgame.
3, 4.
And I'm watching them in like chronological order. Because I bought my ticket for Endgame last week. So we're going on opening night. So I'm watching all of the Marvel movies in like, so the first one's Captain America, and then the second one's Captain Marvel, and like there's like a chronological order. And I'm going through them all before I see Endgame.
And then the height of 9 squared.
Oh, I did it so that it has to go like that.
7. Oh, okay.
And then I made this weekend.
Oh, I can't do it long ways?
No, because then it won't work out. Right.
Okay,
No, I was in
6,
Manti.
3, 4.
Yeah, I had to go to Provo to get set up with Vivint. And then,
6,
yeah,
8,
I'm better.
Okay. 1, 2,
and then I was in Manti the rest of the weekend.
Okay.
Nice.
And then we have to solve for the hypotenuse. Teacher, what's the hypotenuse again?
The hypotenuse is this angle.
Opposite of the
So
90-degree angle.
if you remember with the Pythagorean triplets, you can see if they have a common ratio and divide it and see if it is one of the triplets that you already know and then just times that number by it, or you can do the a squared plus b squared equals c squared.
Okay.
So it's however you want to solve this.
So we're calculating like how many cinnamon toast crunch is for the hypotenuse?
Yes.
Okay.
How many it will take.
Okay. So we say here
Is it width time? So would it be 10 would be the base, and then 24 is the height, right? And then
Yes.
change this.
C. Yep.
Okay, cool. That's what I thought.
And then you can check yourself by putting them out on the table and seeing if it works out.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Yep.
and you take the square root of that, and then you.
Do you have any other questions?
What would you? We just do the square
Not
root
at the
of that
moment.
Okay.
one. No, I think. You
Unless you know what 24 squared is off the top of your head.
Wait, no. Square
What
root.
I do know is that 10 and 24 both can be divided by 2,
That's right.
and then you get 5, then you get 12.
Right.
And do you remember we went over the Pythagorean triplets? If you have a 5, 12, then what is
Oh yeah. There's a 5, 12, and 15.
13?
13?
Yeah, you were really close.
So it'd be 5, 12, and 13. So it should be 13 for the length.
Yeah, so but since you have double the amount, you should
So that'd be
double that.
26.
Yeah. So that's one way you can solve it, or you can definitely solve it this way that you were doing.
You know that one's simpler, so I'm not being more about it.
And then at the end of the class, when everyone's done, we'll take some turns. So we have about 3 more minutes on this problem, on these
15.
work activities, 3 to 5 more minutes, and then we'll switch up the activity.
I'll add it up and take the square root. Yeah. So c equals 15. 15 for the hypotenuse.
Yep.
Oh, really? Can you say that?
I'm
Check by
pretty
making sure. 1,
Wait,
2. You got it right.
yes.
You were expressed.
Wait, you gotta line these up.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, line them up like that. Okay.
Yeah, just like how you lined up the other guys.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good.
I'm just gonna get this.
Do we just
set
move on
up.
to the next?
Yep, you can just move on to the next one once you're done with that. You can go ahead and eat your candies if you want, or put them back in the bowl.
Dang, we were exactly right on.
Yes.
Science.
Science. Remember this journey?
There's a ruler. Says you're holding the string. Let's take the tip of the string 15 inches up the wall.
Oh,
Before pulling the string, make a right angle to figure out how far away the wall the string will go.
String is.
So the string is for a foot.
Oh, you can take this off of the wall.
Oh, okay. Well, it's about 5 foot and 5 inches. 17. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 1 foot 5 inches, so 17 inches. Take the string 15 inches up the wall.
Does that
So
work?
from the bottom.
Does that
We
work
have
for
the
that one
tape.
right there?
Yeah.
8, 15,
Oh, this is
17?
the tape.
That's the ratio of the right angle triangle.
And there's the ruler for you. Okay. problem is we have 2 more minutes left.
For this problem?
Yeah, for these things, and then we will go on to a different activity.
Huh. Okay, so
Yeah.
that
You
actually
like-
works.
Measure from tip of my finger 2 inches above that, or 3 inches above that.
That's cool. I didn't know that. That's a really messed up triangle, but that like yeah.
Way to go, Shad.
Thanks.
Way to do that.
There. What we do? And then we string to make an angle.
Like, that was creeping at the very tip.
Oh, they said 15 inches off the wall. So like this is 15 right there.
Yeah. So the tip of this is still right there. Here, I can get those. You can start working on the next one. We only have a couple more minutes before
Sounds good.
we've got to move on.
Or just take all that.
It's 12.
That's what I was looking for right here.
Okay, wrap up what you guys are doing.
Oh, what? Go ahead and
Hurry and you can measure it.
measure.
I don't know if these instructions make sense, but like pull it till it touches the ground and then measure that.
7 inches. 8. 15. 8.
Okay. And then take your seats back at the table
8 times 8.
when you are all finished up with the problem.
Is the answer 17?
17
Yeah.
for the hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse 17.
Okay. So I need one of you guys to get your phones out. Shad's, Connor, sorry. And so we're gonna play Jeopardy. It's a little Pythagorean theorem Jeopardy. I need you to go to math-play.com.
You just need one person's phone.
Yep, and you guys will all play together because we need you in teams of 2 to 3 people. Since there's only 3 of you today, we'll just do 3 people.
Is it?
Yep, and then scroll down to 8th grade math,
Cerberus one's fun, but it take forever.
and then
8th grade math game.
Yep,
I had to put freaking
and then
26
you want to
Cerberus
scroll
together.
down until it says Pythagorean theorem Jeopardy.
It's because I talked to them too, but
Perfect. And then you guys can just go ahead and start playing that. So you just click on the little picture.
This guy?
And then choose 3 people.
Wait, what's going on
So you have to choose the person for the first person. And I'm gonna set a timer.
So we press 3 players?
Yeah. We're gonna set that timer for 4 minutes. You guys have 4 minutes to play, and then we will
choose your avatar.
finish
Good
up
choice.
class.
Okay.
So you guys get out in time.
Time to go to bed.
Yes.
So we'll make Shad a black girl.
you're right. I have all the sass anyway.
And we'll make you
The doctor looking
the
guy.
Arabian dude.
You're the smart one after all.
Okay, the timer's so you can just press 1. Since you're player 1,
Okay, I'll be playing.
answer the question.
Wait, find your hypotenuse. Oh, can I do 400?
Yeah.
Why
If it's not working, we might have to play this tomorrow.
no? You just click on one of the numbers, right?
Yeah.
Oh, does it
Might
not work?
work
for
better
phone?
up
Maybe if
here.
it's on a laptop, yeah.
There we go.
I have to use some with this.
Sorry about this. with.
That's okay. I'm in a change.
We can't be the white guy.
There we go. Okay. Who wants to go first?
Me. High button is 400.
Maybe it's just down today.
Oh no.
Oh, you have to click on a player. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Let's see. Is it 20.124?
20.1 is your answer? Correct. Okay. Shad, you're next.
Cool.
Which one do you want to do?
Um,
Find the hypotenuse, find the unknown leg, Pythagorean theorem, converse.
the middle one, 400.
Okay.
Do we have a
Is
chance to
this
steal the
25,
points?
35, 34 is the hypotenuse.
Can we steal it? The chat?
No.
Yes.
Oh.
25.
Let's see.
Okay, 5, 4, 3.
24.49. So 24.5 maybe.
That's not one
It
of
is
the
not
answers.
Shad.
Dang it.
Okay, hold on.
23.
I say 23.
Okay, Kaysen's going for 23. You are right. Kaysen got 400 points.
Heck yeah.
Okay, last one, and then we will go to our last thing. Kaysen, which one do you want to answer?
Probably this one right there.
Okay,
What's that?
that is the timer.
Can 10, 8, and 6 be the sides of a right triangle? Yes.
Let me say no.
Good
Oh.
job.
You're smart.
I win.
Okay, so for the last thing we have today is I need you all to go to socreative.com on your phones.
Oh no, I'm about to die.
We're just gonna have like a little quiz just so that I can have an understanding of where you guys are at and what I need to cover again tomorrow.
Creative.com.
Socreative, it's SOCRA.
Oh, so creative. That was great.
Yeah. Sorry. I don't know how to pronounce that.
SoCreative.com.
Yeah. And
Oh,
then
B in the beginning? This is not it.
Is this it?
So you have to do B dot so creative.
B.SoCreative?
yeah.
B.
dot com.
So just the letter B, not B.
Okay.
No, I didn't spell it right. My bad. There we go. No. it's not
Okay.
I'm at the website.
Okay. So we'll
How'd
just
you get there?
use do login, do student login, and then just type Pickett 6528.
Did you put? Did
Oh,
you
you're writing so creative.
Oh, so
It's
creative.
So SOCR.
Socrative? Oh.
Yeah. And then just answer those questions. You have like 2 minutes left until the bell rings.
Okay. Where am I supposed to go?
Do we have recess after this?
Hopefully.
Wait.
Or do I do login? Is that what?
Yep, log in and
Or
do student
student
login,
login,
and then just put Pickett 6528.
Pickett. Is it with one T or two?
2 T's.
Pickett numbers.
6528.
65. Not 30. 28.
1, 3.
That's your
Can
name.
you right triangle with these sides? 9, 12, 15.
Shit.
Okay. So you guys are all in. I can see.
I just completed the current activity.
Good job. So that's gonna be the end of class today.
What was it over?
Yep.
Bye.